Hey everyone! If your Instagram account isn't logging in, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a few quick and easy fixes that can help you sign in again. Just follow each step carefully. First, check your internet connection. Before trying anything else, make sure your internet is working properly. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. And if you're already using mobile data, try connecting to a Wi-Fi network instead. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons Instagram gets stuck on the login screen. Now, let's refresh the Instagram app. Find the Instagram app on your phone, then press and hold the app icon until a small menu appears. Tap the App Info or the Info I button. On the App Info page, tap Force Stop, then confirm by tapping OK if prompted. This completely closes the app and removes any processes that may be causing the login issue. Next, scroll down and tap Storage. Here, tap Clear Cache first, then tap Clear Data and confirm if asked. This removes temporary files and resets the app, which often fixes login problems. Don't worry, this won't delete your Instagram account. You'll simply need to log in again afterward. Once that's done, go back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar at the top and search for Instagram. When the app appears, check if there's an update button. If there is, update the app to the latest version. Updates often include important bug fixes that can resolve login issues. After the update finishes, return to your home screen. Turn your Wi-Fi or mobile data off for a few seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes your network connection before you try logging in again. Now, open Instagram and enter your username and password. In many cases, the app should now let you log in without any problems. If you followed all of these steps and your Instagram account still won't log in, don't worry, there's one more fix you can try. Simply uninstall the Instagram app from your phone, then reinstall it from the Google Play Store. After reinstalling, restart your phone. On most devices, you can do this by holding the power button. On some phones, you may need to press the power button and the volume up button together to bring up the restart menu. Once your phone turns back on, open Instagram again and log in with your account details. A fresh installation combined with a restart usually fixes any remaining login issues. And that's it. After completing these steps, your Instagram login problem should be fixed, and you should be able to access your account again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.